Are you happy?
I'm very happy. I feel very peaceful.
I see you have like nature elements in it.
Yeah, well, my work is about the relationship between nature and our mental health. Because I went through a very traumatic event in my life that I think was instigated by lack of nature. And then slowly I started to hike and I became more exposed to nature. So after you go through a lot of pain, the happiness is so much more sweet. That's where I'm at.
And what is your message to the world?
If you're really hurting or something, just literally go take a hike.